This video is made possible by 343 Studios.
A Rockville package that has taken quite some time to get here. FedEx is apparently overly swamped. This took about a week and a half. It should have been here in just a few days. But anyway, I'm gonna slide it out. We have a 4-channel wooden cabinet powered mixer with USB and Bluetooth. It is the RPM45BT, stands for Bluetooth. So we are gonna crack this a little bit and have some electronics here. If you guys are in the market, now of course the box inside the box. Well, that's good, more packaging. These cats and boxes here. We're gonna take this box out of this box. Yes, I'm in my pajamas. I've been working. Actually, I don't need to take out that out of this box. That box is in that box. We're just going to take that out. Take that out. Here it is. Drop something. There we go. So, there's the setup. I'm going to take it out of the bag. Right. So this is the front. Alright, so there's the front. So you've got 1/4 inch, your XLR. You got 1, 2, 3, 4. It looks like there's maybe like 2 channels there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. They all have volumes, controls, and faders, all this. It's a real hard wooden, what do you call it, cabinet thing that it's in. It's got nice metal corners. Oh wait, those are hard plastic. It's got a handle. So we got USB, you got an SD card, so you got music, screen, your main inputs for your main channels. So you can do Bluetooth. It has a phantom power, so if you have a microphone that needs phantom power. You've got your line in, so to hook up a laptop or something, or RCAs. You've got your line outs if you want to run to a recording device or something. You can do that. So, on the back, we have IEC, power on, power off, and we have 2/4 inch outputs. So, I'll show you the back. The back looks like, also get a book. The IEC power cable and an instruction booklet with something. Shows you how to hook it up. Watch this video before. So it has a deal here you can click. And you click that little with your scanner and it'll take you to a video. I'll show you how to use it. You got your warranty card, which I don't fill this stuff out. For some reason the product becomes deactivated. We want to know, we will, please fill out the following information and keep for your records. Basically date you purchased, serial number, model number, so you have it on file. So the instructions basically go over what's each component. It's all got your channel bass up to 15 dB, it says. Treble bass, 15 dB. It's all your connectors, very, 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 very well labeled. You've got, it talks about the back of the unit, what's what there, so that's cool. Those are your functions, what's what, and how to hook up to speakers. You could hook up to, like, you could use this to power speakers in a like computer room or something. You could also hook it up to 15 inch. You could use this for monitors. Easily set this up for monitors. Holy crap. It tells you everything right here, how you can hook it up. Different things you can use to hook up to it, so that's cool. Gives you different suggestions. CD players, guitar, keyboards, bass, laptop, tape deck, console mixing, so you can get another mixer and hook up to this. Passive mixer. Excuse me. You can do smartphone, MP3 player, digital recorder. You can hook up, you know. So there is sub power. These out deals here you can hook up to subs with 1/4 inch. Powered speakers, mixing console, CD player, mics that you need, phantom power, regular mics. This is basically, it's 2,400 watts, 4-channel mixer at 8 ohm, RMS power. It's basically 225 watts a side, 450 watts a side, my bad. 225 watts, or maybe I've got that backwards. It says 8 ohm though. Peak power outputs 900 watts at 8 ohm. Built-in Bluetooth versions with up to 100-foot range. USB, MP3 AUX, master volume, balance, 4 balance XLRs. There's a fan, weighs 18 pounds. Shows you how to change the fuse on the back if you ever blow a fuse. I have blown one fuse, not on one of these, but on other stuff. So, good book to keep. Then it comes with a remote. And a couple extra fuses, so that's cool. They're sending now extra fuses, so very cool little remote. How long is the IEC? You probably all wanna know. Well, I'll show you. It is 4 or 5 feet long, something like that. And it goes in here. Now I will be using this tomorrow, actually. Well, the next clip you see, we'll be using it to, we're doing an outdoor wedding, and this is going to be the outdoor amp that I control just for playing a little bit of soft music for a wedding ceremony. So this is part of the ceremony rig amplifier. So that's going to be cool. We've also got 1/4 inch to speak-on hookups. I got 50 footers of those. So, yeah, very excited to see this thing work. I'm going to plug it in real quick, see what it does. All right, well, here it is. I don't know if you can see that, but there's the Bluetooth. It has the other mode it has. It says it has FM, so that's kind of cool. Maybe it has a built-in radio. That'd be cool. No disc, and then back to your Bluetooth. Of course, you've got all your faders, and you get a power light there, and all this. We'll get more in depth in this once we get it hooked up and I get it tested. Like I said, I've got a new microphone to try out on it. Very excited to try that. So, can't wait. Anyway, I'm gonna get off here, and the next clip you'll see is this being used and how it sounds.
Hey everybody, what's going on? Nathan343 coming at you from behind the camera, and got a little setup here, just 2 Rockville 15s. We're going to be testing out the new amplifier. So far everything is working great. Does sound really good. I'm using the new microphone that we got. I believe it was called the Phoenix. We're using the handheld right now. I've got it hooked up, and everything sounds great. Got it at a small, medium type volume. We're not cranked up nearly what we are. We're going to test this out with music, and I just wanted to show you guys how everything sounds. Now, of course, the Rockville speakers do have a light that flashes as it gets audio signals, so that is not a clip light. That is just a signal telling you that it's receiving a signal. So, how do I sound? Sound really good coming through this microphone thingamabob here. So, yeah. That's the microphone coming through really, really good. Now we're going to try the headset as well, and we're also going to play some music to see how they sound. They mix their sounds with music, and I'm going to tell you how everything is hooked up. Okay, so this is how we have everything hooked up. I did check the wireless mic. Sounded good. So, yeah. I'm basically going to throw that in here with this. If you guys are wanting to know how that turned out, the unboxing, you can go right here. Check out the unboxing to this. And I'll do a final review on it probably here in a couple of months. I'll probably use this, hopefully. This setup. I normally have a different microphone setup, but so far, Phoenix, the PTU 71, working pretty good. So how I have that ran in is XLR to the channel 1. It comes with, I thought it was a 1/4 inch. I don't know why it would come with this. It's 1/4 inch to 3.5 millimeter. I just see what they've done now, man. Screw this part. It's another 1/4 inch. They just had it looking like it was 1/4 inch. So you could actually hook this up to 3.5 millimeter if you would like. It comes with an adapter. I just realized that. Put that back on there. So, kind of cool, I guess. But yeah, so it's all hooked up, Bluetooth, connected to my phone. I can't play music while I'm filming, so I'm going to have a friend come play some music so you guys can see actually how crisp the sound out of this, out of the 3-band EQ is coming out. Of course, I can also hook up a laptop here, but if I'm going to be running this for an outdoor setup, I'll probably just use Bluetooth. It's got 4 channels. They do make these bigger, but they were all sold out at the time, and this is the one that we got. So, yeah, it's got another thing I do with on the back here. So I got 1/4 inch. There's no speak on here because I have 1/4 inch 2 speak on. You have a left and a right, and then you got your power, and you got your on and off, and then a fuse thing, and then a fan. So what I do is I take, this is the left speaker, this is the right. I pan this one all the way to the left and this one all the way to the right. So you get a designated left and a right. And I'll tell you, the sound is different. It sounds so much better when you do that. Of course, this is your master. When I have this about halfway, to get a good sound, I have to crank it up over half with them like that. I don't even go up 1/4 of the way on the volume. Like, that's all I'm cranked up on the master. Nuts, right? So, again, works great. Seems like it's staying cool. Everything is ran off of 1/4 inch or speak-on, but I got 1/4 inch 2 speak-on cables. I got 50 footers, so I can actually spread these apart. 12 gauge cable. It's a class something cable, but anyway. Works great so far. We're going to play a little music and let you guys hear what it sounds like coming out of here. So as you can tell, I'm not really cranked up that loud, and they sound really good for a little amplifier. And it is Bluetooth right now. And always don't forget to go join the Nathan343 crew for lots of behind the scenes fun.